If you'd like to get beautiful long lashes that look natural, this video is for you. I'm using a Falscara kit by Kiss. These are nothing like regular false lashes. The first thing I'm going to do is open up the Bond. It's kind of like a sticky mascara. Apply it from root to tip lightly, and this only takes a couple of seconds to dry, but don't worry, you've got plenty of time to get your lash out. I bought an extra set of lashes that came in small, medium, and large. When you select one of these, you're going to get as close to the root as you can and then pull it off. They're curved, so you want to make sure that you have that in there the right way so that when you apply it, the curve actually follows your natural lash. I like to start on the outside of my eye, but not all the way in the corner, and then they go under your natural lash. Once I get it on there, I just push it up with my finger to attach it to the lashes above. And I'm going to use 3 of these today to give myself a nice full lash look, but you can use 1 or 2 if you like. It's important to know that they don't overlap. They just go side by side under your lid. And they're not actually touching your waterline, and they are very close to the root of your lash. There's one done. And it goes pretty quickly once you start putting them on. Now you can squeeze them together with that tool or with your fingers just to make sure it's bonded. And when I'm finished, I'll show you what it looks like up underneath my eyes. Then we're going to grab the other side of that wand, which is the seal. Now, from what I can tell, the sealer just removes any sticky glue so that your top lashes don't stick to your bottom lashes. There is an overnighter sealer, and the overnighter can last up to 10 days. To remove these is very simple, but you will need a Falscara remover. And if you get the overnighter, make sure you get the Falscara overnighter remover. That's the only one that will take it off easily. Now remember that beginner kit where I had the small, medium, and large sizes? Remember, I'm wearing the medium, but if you wanted to go for a more natural look, you could definitely go for the small. And there's no rule that says you can't mix them up. Like most things, it takes a little practice to get this down, but it'll probably only take one time. So plan to practice one time before you want to wear these out somewhere. The only problem I had the first time I wore them is that I didn't line them up the same on each eye. So I recommend trying to find a reference for each eye as to where to start. And that way when you get both eyes done, they're even. And here I'm just going in with that sealer, finishing things up, and then here's the end result. I love the way this opens up my eyes. Now, check out underneath there. If you weren't looking at these from an angle, you would never know that these were false lashes. And if you don't want to have a totally natural lash look, just add some mascara. Now, I'm just going to add a light coat, but wait till you see what it looks like in the end. If you're wondering where you can get a starter kit, first you can get one on my Amazon store, of course, but you can also get these at most drugstores. And what don't you forget? Don't forget the remover and the eyelash tool. By the way, if you wear glasses, you can still wear these, but I'd stick with the smaller ones. And look how much fun these are. I'm looking forward to hearing your questions and comments about these. Please share this video and make sure you're following for more.